My name is Miss Samaya. If you're new here, and on this channel we talk all things faith, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing. But today we are transforming my room. So I'm about to show you guys what my room looks like. Be aware, it looks a little rough, and also be aware I got this face pimple pouch on my face because my skin, I don't know what my skin's doing, but that's not the point of this video. So anyway, we're just gonna ignore that. But yes, I'm super excited, and I hope this motivates you guys to redecorate your room if you want to redecorate it. So stay tuned if you want to see how it turns out, and let's get to it. All right, you guys, so this is what my room's looking like. Told you it looked a mess. Yes, I got paper blinds. Don't say nothing about it. And my stuff for my room transformation is in there. So we are about to go ahead and move my bed. Okay, y'all, so before I move my bed, because I was thinking about it, I was like, I probably should put my new Juicy Couture. You know your girl loves Juicy Couture. I just love Juicy. It's just girly, early 2000 vibes. I just like that kind of fashion and aesthetic because it's just totally me. So you're gonna see a lot of Juicy Couture on my channel. But Burlington came through with the Juicy Couture sheets, so I think it's probably more smart for me to take off this bed set and then put the sheets on first and then move the bed over there. So let's go ahead and put these sheets on the bed. So the bed sheet is on. So now it's time to go ahead and move this bed over here. And yeah, come on, find my nose. Everybody, let's go. Hey.
Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it.
Okay, y'all, so the bed has been moved over there. This is what we're looking like. Still have a lot of work to do, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and tackle my curtains real quick so I can get that over with. So let's go ahead and do that. These are my curtains, and this is my curtain rod. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this together, and hopefully I can do it. I think I can though, so yes, let's get to it. I got my curtains on. So now it's time to hang them up. So let's go ahead and do that. So these are what the curtains are looking like. It looks super cute. I think I might end up getting another curtain to just go underneath it, especially when it's this summertime because it gets hot where I live at. But yeah, they're really cute. I love the detailing on these curtains as like the little gold little rhinestones. So I think it's gonna end up turning out really cute with my bed set. So now I am about to hang up my little curtain, not my curtains, my little cute pictures from Burlington. They're so cute. So first picture are these pink sneakers, Nike sneakers. So I'm probably gonna hang up this one by my closet. And then this cute Chanel flower, got Gucci, Chanel, well, Christian Dior, all those little cute luxury brands. So yes, the theme of my room is really like cute, luxury, girly, pink, gold, white, stuff like that. But you know, so just really cute and girly. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so my pictures are up and they look super duper cute. If you're wondering how I got the pictures up, I just used command strips. So that's how I did that, and it looks really cute. All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna put my new bed set on. It's just a plain white bed set, and then I do have some extra little pink pieces to go onto the bed set to make it look decorative. So now I'm gonna add my pillows. I got a lot of pillows, so I have these gray pillows right here that I had on my old bed set. I'm still going to keep these, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put this on my bed, and then I'm gonna add all my other cute little pillows. I got some new pillows because the pillows that I had that I was sleeping on were flat and just not giving what it's supposed to be giving, okay? All right, y'all, so now I got this really cute juicy couture pillow. It is so freaking cute, and it literally matches so perfectly with just everything. So we're gonna take it out. It's so cute. And it's so soft. Look how freaking cute it is. This pillow is so freaking cute, bro. So I'm just gonna smack this pillow. I'm gonna smack that pillow right there. And then I have this juicy couture pillow. It's gray, and it actually came with my old bed set, but it goes still perfectly with my room. So guess what? We are using it, and we're just gonna stick that there. I'm gonna show you guys what the bed set is looking like. Oh wait, I'm not done yet. I still have my blanket. So I got this really cute blanket. It's pink. It's gonna go really well with my bed set. It's super soft and it's velvety. And on it, it says he has risen, because you know, over here we believe in the Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, so your girl saw this and was like, oh, that's cute. It's positive, it's great, and I'm a support. Period. So I bought it, and it goes perfect with my room anyway. So yes, girl, he has risen blanket, $9.99 at Ross. Period. But we're gonna put this at the edge of my bed. this is what the bed is looking like. It's looking real cute. And yes, girl, I absolutely love it. So yeah. All right, y'all. So next step is to put my rug out. This is my rug. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's like a pink little tie-dye. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. All right, y'all, so the rug is down. Now we're gonna go ahead and put my mirror up in this corner. So that is what we're going to do next. All right, y'all, I'm finally done with my room. So here is the bed set. Up close of the curtains. We've got the two pictures on the wall, as well as this one. Then we got these pictures on the wall as well. My mirror, my rug. Everything turned out really nice. This wall right here, my two handbags with my Chanel right here. This is a Juicy purse. It's super cute. And then this is my Von Dutch, one of my favorite bags. And this is just a whole view of the room. So as you can see, there are some big changes from how we started to now. I do have my little area by my closet, that little unicorn stuffy bear my mom got me for Valentine's Day. Shout out to mom. But yeah, this is it. I really like it. Super cute. It's not doing too much. I have a lot of space. It's open. I feel like my room is more open. So yeah, guys, comment down below, what do you think? I love it. It's cute and girly, but yet still simple and clean. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. All right, you guys, we are done. I'm super excited and I'm very thrilled on how everything came out. I absolutely love it. It's super cute. Everything matches and it just came together very, very well. And I love the fact that my room isn't doing too much, but yet it's still cute and has some stuff going on. I wanted a full body mirror for like the longest, and now I have one and I'm just super excited. So I hope this inspired you and encouraged you to go ahead and revamp your space, whether that's your room, your house, whatever you want to revamp. Go ahead and do it, because there's nothing like having a new look to your room and your living space and where you're at. And I absolutely love mine. I probably will not change it for a while. I might add stuff maybe, but honestly, I like how everything is, and I'm just chef kiss. Love it. Love it. Alright, you guys, so if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the family. I would love to have you. We would love to have you. We are growing, so thank you guys so much for the people that are subscribing. I very much so appreciate it. It's not unnoticed over here, so I definitely appreciate that. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time in my next video.